Hi, this is Ms. Hilliard, and I'm back here to show you how to do an advanced search in Google using phrase searching and the Boolean operator AND. Now, I've read a lot of those articles that I found in the databases, and I looked at some of those videos from NASA, and boy, that's really activated my imagination. And I have a bunch of questions about where to take my next step in my writing of my book. And one of the things that I'd like to know more about is Mars soil and whether you can grow anything in Mars soil, because my character may need to do that if he's on that planet. So I'm here at Google and I want to do an advanced search. Now, depending on the interface, the advanced search feature can be a little hard to find, but never fear. If you come right up here to the Omni box, which is at the very top, you can do an advanced search and very quickly. And I'm going to show you how to do that using quotation marks for the phrase searching. And I'm going to have an open quotation here, and I'm going to use the term Mars soil, and I've done this search before, that's why it's coming up, but Mars soil, and then end quote, okay? And right then what that does, it tells the computer to search for everything Mars soil in that order. Now I'm going to use the Boolean operator of AND in all caps. What that does, that is a command, that is a computer command that tells the computer to act very specifically when it goes out onto the web looking for information. Now my second search term that I'm going to use is science, okay, because I really don't, I just want to find information that's dealing with all things Mars soil and science. So I don't need my quotation marks around the word science because it's just one word. So I've got that set up, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter and see what the computer brings back in my results list. And when I take a look, I am seeing some pretty interesting things happening for real out there. Now, I also do see this article from Wikipedia, and I'm going to stay away from Wikipedia. It's not the best source, it's not a reliable source, and I want the best information for my novel. So the other thing that I'm concerned about is I want the most recent information, because I don't want my information to get dated by the time my book is published. So to see what is the most recent information out there, I can come up here to Tools and then Any Time, and I can limit just to the past year of what the most recent research is out there. And sure enough, I am looking at some really interesting things about how earthworms are, yes indeed, seem to survive in simulated Mars soil. Now I can take my choice of my source because again I'm looking for one of the best sources with the most authority, where the experts are really telling me what I need to know about earthworms. So National Geographic is going to be very good, but I'm going to take a look at space.com and see what they have to tell me about this. So sure enough, it's a very recent article about some recent science dealing with Earth or Mars soil, and yes, I can possibly farm on Mars. Now I'm going to grab this information, I'm going to create another note card and Noodle Tools and start tracking the sources, because boy, there's some really good things and my imagination is going. I can't wait to start writing about this. That's it. I hope this helps.